Today we are going to start the topic of electric field. Already you have studied about the natural forces in your previous class. Among that, one is electromagnetic force. There you have learned it that these electromagnetic forces, they exist between the charged particles. Now, what these charged particles are, this is what we are going to discuss now. For example, in your lower classes, you might have used a scale, a ruler on your head, rubbed it on your hair, and you have taken it close to the bits of paper. And what you find that there is attraction between that. The bits of paper got attracted towards that ruler. So what is happening here basically is that while rubbing, the comb got electrified. The comb got charged particles on it. So this concept is also utilized in other experiments too. For example, the same thing has been carried out with the glass rods, with the wool, with the rubber rods, and it have been found out that the things, when they are brought close to the other one, they are going through the attraction. So when we are taking the charged particles, like if two rulers are being rubbed on the hair and then the rulers are bring close together, they repel each other. So these two phenomena are being seen when we have rubbed the two types of the particles, two type of the materials. And it have been found out that the charged particles undergo attraction or repulsion. Attraction is between the opposite charges, and repulsion, for example, I have taken the two rulers or two glass rods or two rubber rods. If they are rubbed together and the same material is brought close together, then they will show repulsion. So based on that, a scientist named Benjamin Franklin mentioned that in this nature two type of charges are existing. Out of that, one is positive charge, the other one is the negative charge. The positive charge is denoted by plus sign and the negative charge is shown by the minus sign. Benjamin Franklin found that there exists attractive electric force between the opposite charges, that is between the positive and the negative charges. These phenomena that have been studied is used by the commercial industry. For example, we are using lenses nowadays. So lenses are being designed with the type of material that is attracted towards the watery part of the eyes. So there will be good attraction and it won't fall out. Similarly, if we are talking about the skin products or the hair products, that also utilize this attractive electric force concept. The material that is used in that cosmetics too is such that it will stick to the hair or the skin.